good job.
Namin good job.
Good job.
Oh, I just wanna be,
Mayong aga. Mayong aga.
Mayong aga.
Hari na kami dire.
Hari na kami diri.
Sa Iloilo.
Sa Iloilo.
Alright, I'll say it here. Hari na kami dire sa Iloilo.
Hari na... Hari na...
Hari na kami dire.
Hari na kami
Hari.
diri. Hari?
Walay, no H. Hari.
Hari na... Hari na...
Hari na kami dire.
Hari na kami diri. Sa Ilo... Okay. Hari na kami diri sa Iloilo.
Kagsubungad lang. Mag-food trip lang kami dire. Kaya di kami kablong sa... Oh, afraid. Do I speak Ilonggo or do I speak Bisaya for this vlog? O kurungan lang, mag-story lang kami dire. Mag-food trip lang kay dili kami kabalo unsay buhaton na mo. Naghapit kami dire sa Maj's Coffee Shop kay dagan nag-recommend diri daw ang piningan lami na kape.
Lami.
Lami. Ako, hot chocolate. How is it?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good. It's strong. I asked for strong with milk.
Yes.
It's really good.
Sige. So, dili ni siya adventure vlog karon ha. Okay, lang kami sa syudad. Food trip lang. Sorry lang kami dire. And our new friends. Bye.
Bye.
Sige, abi nila na artista si Joey. Artista na siya.
Thank you so much.
Post it on the wall. Post your picture on the wall.
Thank you.
You're so famous.
I'm the original Bisayang Hilaw.
Yes. Abi nila na vlogger ni siya.
Yeah, I'm looking now. Can't you tell with my new hat?
So, update our food vlog. We got
We're really good food vloggers.
yes. So, dili na ako mag-travel vlog, food vlogger. Food vlogger na ako.
Lamit.
Nami.
Oh, in Ilonggo. Namit.
Nami gidya.
Nami good job.
Nami gidya.
Nami good job.
Lagaw. Sige, tapos na kami dito sa Maj. Nami gidya. So subong, maglagaw-lagaw lang kami diriya sa Amerikanong.
Yes.
So, tudlan ako siya mag-Ilonggo kay hindi na kami mag-Bisaya. Ngapon. Oy. Tuod gidya.
Saka ano dayaw?
Ha?
Pila na ka sir ka
Dua ka tuig
sa diin ka din nagstayaw?
sa Bacolod. Oo.
Very good sa imo ano intonation.
Mm.
Oh no, kanami na.
Nami. Salamat ah.
Oh, you're welcome.
Sige. Ay, lagit ko ya sa tono sa mga Ilonggo dire. So frustrated na si Joey kay sabi niya, master na siya mag-Bisaya. Tapos nagsailo kami dire. Nosebleed dayon. So, nalibo ko kung dapat ko mag-Ilonggo or mag-Bisaya sa akong vlog subong. Siguro sagol.
I just talk English.
Sige, so kagina sa Maj, abi nila na amo ni si Bisayang Hilaw. Abi nila mo na yung vlogger. So, subong adlaw siya na bahala sa vlog. So, ipas na ko ang throne sa iya.
I'm not the vlogger.
Let's go.
Hey, welcome to my channel.
Like, subscribe, ring the bell.
No, here, have it back. I'm not vlogging. I can't do this.
That's right.
Can't do it.
Can't do it. Sige, ano ni siya sa Ilonggo?
What?
Ano ni siya sa Ilonggo ba? Ido.
Ido. Not Iro.
Ido.
Ido.
Yes.
Hello, Ido.
Hello, Ido.
What's puppy then?
Totoy. Gamay Totoy. Gamay Totoy. Bisa nasa? NPA? No permanent address? Ano yan? So, amo niya ang Bisayang Hilaw. Mara siya, YouTube channel. Pwede ko mamata na sa iya. Kaya sikat na siya sa YouTube. Ligo, pwede pa request? Buwan. Kabalo ka, Buwan?
Buwan?
Oo. Kay paborito ni Joy. Ay, kabalo niya. Sige.
Yeah, Juan. By Juan Carlos.
So, paborito ni Joey ang Buwan.
Buwan.
Si Ma'am Joey. Hello. Uh-oh.
Hi.
Hi. Ano ang ngalan mo? Ano pangalan mo?
Ken.
Ken.
Ano siyang kumanta?
Buwan. Nami siya magkanta.
Makanta na siya.
Todd. Ikaw. Di ka magkanta.
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan.
Ayo.
I don't know this part.
Sige, wala kami himuon, so naghapit kami diri sa tennis court. Nagulam, nagabang kami, nagrent kami tennis racket. Maghampang kami tennis.
Tara.
Saga ni siya mag-tennis, so hambal niya. 100 pesos, isko oras.
I am very bad.
Should we challenge them?
Challenge them.
Sige, tapos na kami ni Zoe. Nagdaog siya, so kontra na ko subong si Dodong. Si Kwan. Ano gani ang Dodong sa Ilonggo? Tol? Hindi. Toto. Kontra na kasi Toto subong. Tito.
What are we doing?
Sige, so perti ka init diri sa Iloilo subong. So nidaplin ko diri. Ako lang magtanaw sa maglanta sa ila. How come you didn't play like this when I was against you? What? It was in, it was in. Daog siya. Gusto ko mag-atag isang shoutout sa akong kaupod kaya nakaabon na siya sa 20,000 Instagram followers. So naripay git siya subong. So salamat sa inyong suporta. She's doing this for you guys.
Oh, stop. Thank you.
Sige, tapos na kami sa tennis. Sige, introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Maricel. Hi, I'm Denden.
Wow, sige, ako na yung mga fans ni Joey.
Hi, I'm Joey.
Hi, it's Joey. Sure you know her as Bisayang Hilaw. Sige. So karon, magkato kami sa
Elizabeth.
magano ta?
Mag-bowling.
Bowling. Sige, mag-bowling kami. Ayos. Boy, you have to pay for it? Huh? Ulam lang. Alright, just a local pet shop. You gonna buy one?
I'm in heaven.
Sige, pili na, pili. Pigeon. Huh? Worms?
No. Oh no, no worms.
Hala,
Stop. I
he's
don't
not.
have that. No.
He's not. Tinola?
Tinola.
Tinola?
Oh my god.
Sa hotel?
Golden retriever. Hi. I like your dog.
Ayos. Sige, barato lang ang
7K.
pang diri, 25 pesos sa amon. Daw $10. Sige, gamay ang bowling diri.
Sinod ako.
Oo. Ang bola, gamay kayo. Stig.
Does it have?
Nope. Just picture. It's a video. Nice.
I got a couple. Oh my god. You got shot put it.
Busog ba?
I'm actually really good.
That was bad. Take two.
I'm gonna be here a while.
Hindi kami makapuli. Antes kami mag-strike. Pasensya, gahon man dire. Gahon, kid.
Gahon.
Mas gahon ka.
Gahon.
That was a good one.
Alright, I'm done. I'm going home.
That was good.
There, I'm done. I've got a spare.
Sige, so tapos na kami dire. Ambot kung din kami magato. Subong. Grabe yung adventure subong kay mga jocks man kami.
Jocks?
Yeah. Sige,
Very
tara.
good at sport.
Clara!
Sige, Joey. Ano ni siya? Ano ni siya?
Kamunsil.
Ha?
Kamunsil.
Kamunsil? Anong flavor? Looks like a centipede. Ano ni siya? Or anong flavor?
It
Come on, food vlogger.
tastes like a bean.
Yeah, it tastes like a bean.
It's like uncooked beans.
Uncooked bean. We're gonna interrupt the show. Zoe Zoo.
And they're friends with a canine dog. I mean, they're all canines, but this one is chewing on my arm.
My rabies, my rabies. Wala. Uy, para din ni siya. Ma-detect kung may shabu.
No, sir. Bomb.
Bomb.
Sige.
Sige. I always say sige. I have to start sige. Sige. So, nakapuli kami, nag-refresh kami gamay kay baho man. O karon, muat pa kami sa pinakasikat na Bachoy.
Deckers.
Yeah, Decker's Bachoy. Lamig daw siya. Actually, kagabi niato kami dito, pero mubalik kami dito. Paripitan na sa inyo kung sa kalami ang Bachoy dito. O ganan kami diri sa Iloilo kay bisan syudad ni siya, medyo dili man siya samok. Dili man siya samok. Peaceful man. Gamay ra ang traffic. Huh? Zoe's so grumpy
I'm
tonight.
not grumpy.
She is. Sige, so nag-abon na kami diri sa Decos. Oh, it's not even Deckers.
Deckers. I don't know why
Yeah.
you're saying Deckers.
Ari kami diri sa Decos pero sarado na. Sayang, ipatanaw na ko tani ang Deckers sa inyo. Namit na siya kay kagabi nakaon kami diri. So siguro makaon lang kami street food. Barbecue. Barbecue. Food vlogger.
Can't just say that. It's just rice.
Sige, I hope na okay lang sa inyo na food vlogger na ako, hindi na ako travel vlogger. So makatagog sang namin na review about sa pagkaon. But how do you food vlog?
Well, first we need some food.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Right now we just have rice. So this is our rice.
We're
It's well cooked,
well cooked.
well done. It came in plastic. So I know that my rice has
Oh,
a touch.
now we can food vlog.
We're food vlogging now.
Okay.
Is there
What is
chili?
this?
That is
Spicy?
I hope not. I hope it.
Spicy niya?
Oh.
Ayos, paborito niya. Pip, 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 pip. Sige, count ta. Ay, ako ni sa.
It's not my food.
Sa tinuod. Dili ko pa mag-food vlog, so si Joy bahala sa food vlog karon. Oh yeah.
It's very juicy.
Very juicy.
No? Oh shit.
What is this?
This is bubbly.
Babuyu?
And that was rice. It's good. It's really good.
How can you compare this to the other street foods that we've had?
It's very moist.
Oh, great word.
The marinade that they use is nice. It's kind of sweet.
Different.
It's different.
It's not really ketchup-y, like the ketchup that they do.
Yeah, it's not.
It's more like a barbecue.
It's good. Really good.
My turn. Delicious. Yeah. Murag baboy.
What's morag?
What's morag?
Morag.
It means it's like.
It is baboy.
I know.
Because it's morag baboy.
Hey, he's gonna try. What are you doing? That's
Oh
not.
yeah.
He's trying mine.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Tell me if it's juicy.
So it is chewy and moist ni siya.
You know what I mean?
Pretty moist. I need more though.
No. That was mine.
I'm gonna leave the food vlogging to Joey. I don't know how to do it. There she is.
Hey, we got our fish.
Bisaya ni siya. Pero karon Ilonggo na. Naandan na siya. Salamat. Kami na meet it. Lami kayo. Lami kayo.
We got a fish.
What kind of fish?
Apparently it was from the bukid, which doesn't make any sense. Unless it was from a creek.
So namangkot ko, nagpanguntan ako kung asa gikan, kung diin halin ang isda, so tinila sa bukid.
I'm just gonna have it alone and without rice, which I know is extremely un-Filipino. What are you doing? Is it on my face? Like really close?
No. Wow.
It's like buttery.
To die for.
Just falls
Like the
apart.
rice?
Yeah, like the rice. It just like comes apart. It was
Dang.
really good. It tastes like fish. Yeah, tastes like fish.
Like salmon?
No, not like salmon. That rice. This is my pork. This is my pork.
Alright. Ano pa gid?
This is my fish. This is my fish.
Peace.
Fish. You also got a chocolate fish. What?
Sige, subong mara kami bago na invention diri sa Jollibee. So mag-order ko mo ice cream kag sa kami pay ibutang ang ice cream o kaunon diretso. I promise we won't regret it. Try it. Since you're the real food vlogger. Oh. Yep.
So you just put it on like that.
Oh yeah. Namin kita. Say it.
Namin kita.